To cash out your investments on Robinhood, you first need to sell your stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrency. Start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to your investments. Select the specific stock or cryptocurrency you want to sell. Click on it, and then click the Sell button. Enter the amount you want to sell and review the transaction. The sale will complete during market hours, with stocks taking 2 business days to settle and cryptocurrency settling instantly. Once the sale is complete, you can withdraw your cash. To do this, click on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Then select the 3-line menu and click on Transfers. Next, click the Transfer Money button and enter the amount you want to transfer. Select your bank account and click Review. Finally, choose your transfer speed. You can opt for instant transfer or wait, depending on your needs. Confirm your selection by clicking the Transfer button.